Hello, hello guys. My name is Kaushal Patil, and our today's video topic is iterative statement in Java. So, basically, what is iterative statement in Java? So, basically, iteration statement in Java are used for uh, for the loops that are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So iterative statement is basically used for these statements. So while while statement while statement the while loop in Java's are most fundamental statement most fundamental statement are the most fundamental loop statement, and the do while statement the are always execute bodies at least once. The conditional expression is at the bottom of the loop. So the iteration statement create loops in the program. It creates the loop in the program. In other words, it repeats the statement of statement until the condition for terminate is met. Terminate is met is uh, it is basically the statement in Java are for used for loop, while loop, and do while loop. It is purely similar to the uh, loops. The action of iteration and the loops are mostly similar with each other. So this is all about iterative statement in Java. As we have as we have discussed, this is uh, n- uh, this iterative statement is nothing but similar to, or we can also say that it is a part of loops in Java. So basic so sorry, this is all about iterative statement in Java. Thank you.